Hey everyone, this is Jacob again from MidPointe Library, and today I'm going to be talking about another leisure kit activity that we have. This one is super near and dear to my heart. It's one of my favorite games to play, and you can check it out, take it home, and share it with your family, or even learn how to play yourself. And the game is chess. Now, maybe you've seen the new Netflix TV show, The Queen's Gambit, or you've read the book, or you've just seen a whole bunch of coverage that's been about how the chess world really blew up in the online gaming community. Either way, if you're interested in learning how to play chess, but up to this point you've been a little bit afraid of going out and just purchasing your own chess set because you don't know if you like it, we've got you covered here at MidPointe Library. Inside of this leisure kit is everything you need to start playing chess and play a game with the people at home or with some friends. So go ahead and open up the kit. Inside, you're going to find this chessboard, a quick start guide. We'll get into that in a second. And finally, this book, it's Chess, the Ultimate Guide for Beginners, a comprehensive and simplified introduction to the game of chess. This is going to give you a little bit more in-depth information about some of the weirder moves like how to castle or what en passant means when a pawn takes a piece. Now, it looks like you've got no pieces, but inside of the chessboard, this one's really nice. You open it up and you have all of the different chess pieces that you need. They're all held down here so that they don't shuffle around or scuff anything up. You can take them out here and begin to set them up. If you've never played a game of chess before, this is where we're going to get into the super cool Quick Start Basics Guide. At the very top, it shows you where every single one of the pieces goes. It names each and every one of the pieces, tells you who starts the game, talks a little bit about what check and checkmate means. Next, it goes through each of the pieces individually and shows you how they can move. So pawns, they move straight forward, but they only attack diagonally. Rooks can go in straight lines either way, and they can go as long as they can, so long as they don't run into another piece. Bishops, they move diagonally. So rooks, they go in straight lines, but bishops move diagonally. Then you have knights. They move in a weird way, kind of like an L shape. It also shows you the ways that they move on here, because it can be a little hard to understand if you're just reading it. So look at the images. It'll help you out a lot. Finally, the king and queen, how they move. The queen is, of course, the most powerful piece in the game, but you got to protect the king or you're going to lose. I like this a lot. Recently, even though I've played chess for a long time, my wife was talking to me and said, hey, I really want to try and pick this game up. And I looked around the house and realized I did not have a chessboard because a lot of times I play on a computer. This is perfect for if you go, hey, I want to teach my kids, I want to teach my significant other how to play a game of chess. Check this out from the library, bust it open, have some fun. And when you bring it back, you can decide, hey, do I want to maybe check this out again? Do I want to put it on hold? Or even go and get a chessboard for yourself. I like these kits if you're ever looking for something cool to do or just something to switch up the monotony of the week. Come into MidPointe Library, find one of the cool leisure kits, and you'll be doing something new and fun before you know it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.